Here is the detailed Capterra data, complete with the rating, the reviews, when the company was founded, the country, and detailed data like the image and the videos, the pricing plan it has got, and also the alternatives to it, and also the highlighted reviews. And here is the categories data. So you have all the products that belong to customer relationship management software category, which you will be able to get easily after watching this video in 5 minutes only. Now, if you've ever tried scrapping Capterra, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping Capterra seems simple, right? Just go to the Capterra website, grab whatever products you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, you're going to run into various challenges. Capterra is going to block you, it is going to give you captchas or page timeouts, and to resolve all of these issues, you can use solutions like using Playwright Puppeteer, using residential proxies, or writing complex selector, but you have to maintain them month over month. Now, let me show you a really easy way so you can get the Capterra data in 5 minutes only, and you don't have to write any complex selector, maintaining them month over month, and deal with page timeouts, caption, all those issues. So let's roll. We want to get detailed Capterra data like this one. To get such kind of data, we need to use Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we're going to take help of an API called the Capterra Scraper API by Omkar Cloud. This one, Omkar has rated excellent on Trustpilot. And to use this API, you simply have to sign up on Omkar Cloud. You get 100 requests free every month. Then go to the dashboard and search for Capterra, this one, and thus visit the API page. So this API has a very important endpoint to get products. So we are going to be using this endpoint. So I'm just going to copy this text and paste it in here. Now this code is simply going to get data from this and store it in this file. So I simply have to run the code now, and it's going to get us this data. So yeah, let's run it. We have got back the data. As you can see, this is quite detailed. We have got the rating, the reviews of the country the product belongs to, and the plans it has got, the alternatives for it, also comparisons, and the pros, the cons, the highlighted reviews. Such kind of very, very important data we have got back. Now, let us see how we can easily get the data about the categories. So for that, I'm just going to scroll down, and there is a endpoint to get categories, all products. So we're going to simply use this. I'm just going to copy it and paste it in here. Now let's hit it again. So we have got 134 products that belongs to customer relationship management software, and we have got their ID and their link. And if you want further detail for them, you can simply use the Capterra products endpoint to get that data. Now, if you want detailed data like this one, and you don't want to write any complex structure code, maintain it month over month, then you're in the right place. You can simply use this API and start getting the Capterra data in 5 minutes only.